get up and out of bed. My name is not Isabella. Then who has been sleeping in my daughter's bed? I am Sally, the greatest, toughest woman astronaut who ever lived. Well, Sally, blast out of it, put on your spacesuit, and come downstairs for breakfast. Sally Ride was the first American woman to travel to space. Her job was to test the robot arm. She also loved to play tennis and softball. She helped many girls and boys who were interested in science. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Good morning, Alexander. It's time for breakfast. And then let's play ball. My name is not Alexander. Then who has been sleeping in my son's bed? I am Theodore, the greatest, grandest president who ever was. Well, Theodore, park yourself here and save your energy for today's game. Theodore Roosevelt was born in New York City. He had many government jobs before being vice president and eventually president of the United States. Good morning, Sally. It is time for breakfast. Pull up a chair. My name is not Sally. Then who will eat this fine breakfast I cooked? I am Annie, the greatest, fastest sharpshooter who ever lived. Well, Annie, ride on over here and eat your breakfast. A cowgirl needs a proper meal. Annie Oakley was the fastest sharpshooter. She could hit a target from any distance and never miss. She was born in Buffalo Bill's Wild Bushel and was adopted when she was 6. Finish eating and get ready to go. My name is not Theodore. Then who is going to brush his teeth? I am Thomas, the greatest, brightest inventor who ever was. Well, Thomas, let me see that brilliant smile light up the room. Thomas Edison was a famous inventor. He invented a light bulb, a record player, a copy machine, and even a battery. On the night he died, everyone turned off the lights, gave him a statue of Liberty, in honor of his most famous invention. Rosa Parks was an activist. She did not give up her seat to a white person. She fought for what she believed in, that all people were equal. Welcome home, Rosa. Did you have a nice day at school? My name is not Rosa. Then who will eat these cookies I made while she does her homework? I am Marie, the greatest, smartest scientist who ever was. Well, Marie, sit down and discover the answers to your homework. I will get the cookies.
Marie Curie was a scientist to discover how radiation worked. She was the first woman who won the Nobel Prize and the first woman to teach at the Sorbonne School in France. She also started a school for women to learn to become doctors.
was.
Well, Jackie, you stole my heart. Now clear home plate. Jackie Robinson was the first African-American baseball player to play in the major leagues. After his first year, he stole so many bases that they honored him Rookie of the Year.
He did.
It is almost bedtime, Elizabeth and Jackie. My name is not Elizabeth.
And my name is not Jackie.
Well, who will I be tucking into bed tonight? My name is Isabella.
And my name is Alexander.